I think it will be very successful because every small company has the same problem: productivity. How much worker do I need? How is my price when I sell a product or a service to a third company or to private persons? We can answer these questions very quickly. I was in the United States and showed this to the Virginia Manufacturing Association, 5,000 members, and they have been very delighted about the opportunity to use this tool. They are still waiting that we deliver it. And now, from the beginning of January, we are delivering international and national. We have several markets. United States is a big market for us. I think it can become our core market for this. Because, you know, American companies, they like to make it as simple as possible, as successful as possible, and this tool fits perfect in this philosophy and culture. This is what they told us. Another market will be South America, where companies have not so much money to buy an MTM application for 1 million euros or for 500,000 euros. And another big market is only 400 kilometers from here. Whole East Europe is a market for us. All companies who have not an organization like the big ones are our customers in future. One thing is first the language. And of course, we have German, English, Italian, and so on. But if you need a first level support, you need somebody who frequently speaks a language. I speak only 2 or 3 or 4, but we need more languages. So we will have in several countries organizations who sells this software for us and this tool for us, and who are still making for us the first level support to satisfy the customer. And they will also make the marketing in this local country, in these countries, because we think as Germans sometimes completely different than the others. This I learned in the long term, and we must find local guys, local companies, local culture to sell this product. But I know by heart, every company needs this.